Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking a few essentials. Your iPhone is unlocked and updated, and you're ready to change the hotspot name. Once ready, open Settings, then tap General. You're not changing a router here. You're renaming your device so the network name reflects that change. Make sure you have any active tethering off for a moment. Now tap About. The device name field is where this process begins. Follow along and don't skip the next step. You'll now edit the name that becomes the personal hotspot SSID. Tap Name, delete or modify the existing text, and type the new network name you want other devices to see. Be mindful of length and special characters. Most routers and devices accept up to 63 characters for SSIDs. Once you tap Done, the iPhone saves the new name system-wide. This is why changing the device name is you finish by verifying the change. Open Settings Personal Hotspot and confirm the displayed network name matches what you entered. If other devices still show the old name, turn the hotspot off and back on, or toggle Wi-Fi/Bluetooth. This forces a refresh. If that fails, reboot your iPhone or briefly enable airplane mode and disable it to clear caches. Remember, the hotspot name is the device name, so renaming there fixes this consistently across services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.